So hello guys, welcome back once again in the new video of JavaScript. So in this video we will use that how we use the split method in the JavaScript. So split method is a very popular method and we use in the React as well as in the React Native. So in this video we will use all the use cases of the split method. So split method actually we use in many scenarios. So first is the suppose you want to split a sentence into words. So const is a keyword here and we take any variable sentence and use here any string. Suppose this is a string, JavaScript is a popular. So suppose you want to split this string into the words. So we use here split method. So const and we use here another variables word and use here sentence and just type split. So split method will be show here. We just select it. So this is the definition of the split method is showing here. Split a string into substring. So this is the sentence of the split method and any particular condition you can split the string. Suppose this is a sentence and you want to split this sentence is based on the blank space and just type here console.log and just console here words. So I just run this. So we did not save it, so need to save this and just again run this. So you will see the output here like this. So the split will split the sentence into words of array. So split actually return a array of words. So this is the first scenario of the split method. Suppose you want to split a regular expression. So we just use here the use case 2, splitting a regular expression. In this case, we can split a more complex string into the array of words. Suppose this is a string and here I just use a comma and here we just use a semicolon. So if you try to run this again after save, so you will see here a split is based on the space, but you can see here comma and semicolon is attached with the word. But actually you want that comma and semicolon should not be attached with the word. So we change the split because we are splitting this string based on the space. So for the regular expression, basically we just separate like this and here you need to add the comma semicolon like this you add here. So now we just save this and again try to run. So you will see here the second output is here. So I just clear this and again I just run it. So now you can see here comma and semicolon is not attached with the splitting words. So like this you can use here any words. Suppose you can add here like this and we are using here a question mark. So all the characters you can add in this array like colon, semicolon. So all these you can add here and you can run like this. So you can see here all the words will be splitting without any colon, without any question mark and without any semicolon. So you can split the regular expression like this. Suppose you want to reverse a string. Suppose this is the third case we use mostly with the split. So I am just removing this. So this is a string sentence and you just want to reverse this string and use the reverse with splitting. So just you want to I am taking a little string here, JavaScript, and you want to reverse this string, so you need to use here split. If you want to split the string, so I am giving here blank space without giving any space, and we just will use the reverse, and based on the reverse we just join again and giving blank space. So this will split all the characters one by one and again join this. Suppose I save it and try to run, so it will show here all the characters will be reverse, because first we are splitting all the string into one by one and again we are joining this, so it will show from the back to first. So if you want to extracting the file extension, so in many cases we need to extensions of the file, so you can just split the extension of the file. Suppose I am just extracting the file extension. So in this case, suppose this is a name of the file and I am using here type of this file is the txt. So this is the extension of the file. It can be a file name. I am using sentence here. So in your case and in your project it can be the name of the file. So we just need to add here splitting character is here a dot, because you want to extract here the txt extension of the file. So we just need to add here dot, and we can use here pop. So pop actually get the txt extension, and split will split the file name into two words, JavaScript and txt, and pop will get the txt into the. So this is actually the name of the extension. So I am just save this and we'll just clear it. And now if you want to try, so it will show you txt. So this is the name of the extension. So like this you can extract the file extension with the help of the split. So actually this is the fourth case we used for extracting the file extension. Next case we will use the case 5. So with the help of the split you can convert a CSV string into a array. So actually this is useful when you are dealing with comma separated data. Suppose I have a red, green. So it is useful when you are dealing with comma separated data. So red, green and blue comma separated we are using here, and you can just split it based on the. So now this is the name of the CSV name in your project. So this is the CSV name, and we just using here the name of the CSV, and this is the name of the. So we are splitting based on the comma. So we just save it and we just run. So this will split like this. So all the comma separated values will be shown in the array of strings. So you can split the CSV names like this. So another case we can use the split. So I am typing here breaking down a URL. So I am just using here a URL. So like this. So it can be any page, any path. So I am taking a example URL here, and you want to use this URL based on the any character. Suppose I am splitting this URL based on the slash. So all the URL will be shown here in the parts, in the array of strings part like this. So HTTP, and another part is the this. So all the URL is will be displayed like this in the separated parts of strings. So you can break the URL like this. And another use of the split, we can create a character array. Suppose this is the string, and here you can use any name. Suppose I am taking here JavaScript. So I am not giving here any space or splitting character. So just save it and just clear the log here and just run it. So all the characters will be shown as separated in the form of array. So J, A, V, so all these characters will be shown like this. If you want to split a whole string in the array of characters. So actually this is the 7th case where we use the split. Next is the case 8 where we use the splitting. So if you want to split your string with no separator, suppose if the separator is omitted or set to undefined, the entire string is returned as a single element in the array. Suppose you want to return a string in the form of array with no separator. So you just omit the separator here and we just save it and just run this. So the JavaScript string will be shown in the form of the array like, and just again run this. So the JavaScript will be shown in the form of array. Suppose you want to add a limit on the splitting method. So you can split your string with a limit. Suppose I am using here. Suppose you want to split this based on the space and you want to add here a limit. So the limit will restrict the splitting method that it will split only in the two parts. Suppose just I save it, clear the log here and just run again. So you will see here only a two array of string is showing in the output because we added here a limit 2. But if I did not add a limit here, so it will be split in the 5 strings. So we can restrict the string with the limit. Suppose I want to split this string into the 3 parts only. So you can add here a number you want to split your string. Suppose only the 3 string will be shown here. So like this you can use a splitting method in different scenarios. So I hope this video is very helpful for understanding that how we use the split method in the JavaScript. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.